Top 10 Fastest Animals. Some animals are perfectly designed to be the ultimate speed machines. Some of these fly through the air, others swim through water and some run on land. Most of the fastest animals are birds, so our list below includes a selection of the fastest of all these different types of animals. Here are 10 of the fastest animals in the world. 10. Brown hare. The brown hare, also known as the European hare, is a species of hare native to Europe and parts of Asia. It is among the largest hare species and is adapted to temperate, open country. Hares are herbivorous and feed mainly on grasses and herbs, supplementing these with twigs, buds, bark and field crops, particularly in winter. Their natural predators include large birds of prey, canids and felids. They rely on high-speed endurance running to escape predation, having long, powerful limbs and large nostrils. The brown hare's long back legs enable them to reach speeds of 77 km per hour or 48 miles per hour, the same speed as their predator the red fox. 9. Blue wildebeest. The blue wildebeest, Connocates taurinus, also called the common wildebeest, white-bearded wildebeest or brindled gnu, is a large antelope and one of the two species of wildebeest. It is placed in the genus Connocates and family Bovidae and has a close taxonomic relationship with the black wildebeest. The blue wildebeest is known to have 5 subspecies. This broad-shouldered antelope has a muscular, front-heavy appearance, with a distinctive robust muzzle. Young blue wildebeest are born tawny brown, and begin to take on their adult coloration at the age of 2 months. The adults' hues range from a deep slate or bluish-gray to light gray or even grayish-brown. Both sexes possess a pair of large curved horns. The blue wildebeest can run at about 80 km per hour or 50 miles per hour, which almost exactly matches the top speed of a lion. 8. Marlin. A marlin is a fish from the family Ischiophoridae, which includes about 10 species. It has an elongated body, a spear-like snout or bill, and a long, rigid dorsal fin which extends forward to form a crest. Its common name is thought to derive from its resemblance to a sailor's marlinspike. Even more so than their close relatives, the scombrids, marlins are fast swimmers, reaching speeds of about 80 km per hour or 50 miles per hour, just beaten for the title of the world's fastest fish by the super-speedy sailfish. 7. Pronghorn. The pronghorn is a species of artiodactyl mammal indigenous to interior western and central North America. Though not an antelope, it is often known colloquially in North America as the American antelope, prongbuck, pronghorn antelope, prairie antelope, or simply antelope because it closely resembles the true antelopes of the Old World and fills a similar ecological niche due to parallel evolution. The pronghorn is the second fastest land animal and at 98 km per hour or 60 miles per hour can out-sprint predators. 6. Sailfish. A sailfish is a fish of the genus Ischiophorus of billfish living in colder areas of all the seas of the earth. They are predominantly blue to gray in color and have a characteristic erectile dorsal fin known as a sail, which often stretches the entire length of the back. Another notable characteristic is the elongated bill, resembling that of the swordfish and other marlins. They are, therefore, described as billfish in sport fishing circles. The sailfish is easily the world's fastest fish, speeding through the water at 110 km per hour or 68 miles per hour. 5. Cheetah. The cheetah is a large cat of the subfamily Felina that occurs in southern, north and east Africa, and a few localities in Iran. The species is IUCN Red listed as vulnerable, as it suffered a substantial decline in its historic range in the 20th century due to habitat loss, poaching, illegal pet trade, and conflict with humans. By 2016, the global cheetah population has been estimated at approximately 7,100 individuals in the wild. Several African countries have taken steps to improve cheetah conservation measures. It is skilled at running down fast prey and can reach a top speed of 113 km per hour or 70 miles per hour. That's 3 times faster than the top running speed for a human, which is about 36 km per hour or 22 miles per hour. 4. Spur-Winged Goose. The spur-winged goose is a large bird in the family Anatidae, related to the geese and the shelducks, but distinct from both of these in a number of anatomical features, and therefore treated in its own subfamily, the Plectropterinae. It occurs in wetlands throughout sub-Saharan Africa. The spur-winged goose is the world's largest goose and can fly at 142 km per hour or 88 miles per hour. 3. Frigate Bird. Frigate bird are a family of seabirds called Frigatidae which are found across all tropical and subtropical oceans. The 5 extant species are classified in a single genus, Frigata. All have predominantly black plumage, long, deeply forked tails and long hooked bills. Females have white underbellies and males have a distinctive red gular pouch, which they inflate during the breeding season to attract females. Their wings are long and pointed and can span up to 2.3 meters, the largest wing area to body weight ratio of any bird. The frigate bird's speed of 153 km per hour or 95 miles per hour is helped by having the largest wingspan to body weight ratio of any bird. They are able to stay aloft for more than a week at a time. 2. White-throated needletail. The white-throated needletail, also known as needle-tailed swift or spine-tailed swift, is a large swift in the genus Hirundapus. It is reputed to reach speeds of up to 170 km per hour or 105 miles per hour in horizontal flight, but this is unverified because the methods used to measure its speed have not been published. They build their nests in rock crevices in cliffs or hollow trees. They do not like to sit on the ground and spend most of their time in the air. They feed on small, flying insects like beetles, flies, bees and moths. The white-throated needletail is a migratory bird, breeding in Central Asia and southern Siberia, and wintering south in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia and Australia. It is a rare vagrant in Western Europe and has been recorded as far west as Norway, Sweden and Great Britain. 1. Peregrine Falcon. The peregrine falcon, also known as the peregrine, and historically as the duck hawk in North America, is a widespread bird of prey in the family Falconidae. A large, crow-sized falcon, it has a blue-gray back, barred white underparts, and a black head. As is typical of bird-eating raptors, peregrine falcons are sexually dimorphic, with females being considerably larger than males. The peregrine is renowned for its speed, reaching over 320 km per hour or 200 miles per hour during its characteristic hunting stoop, making it the fastest member of the animal kingdom. According to a National Geographic TV program, the highest measured speed of a peregrine falcon is 389 km/h or 242 miles per hour. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked this video and make sure to subscribe so you won't be missing any new videos.